here with a Megalook here once more. This is today's packaging, which is branded as usual. It says my new look, be yourself. All right, so look in the box. They have a WhatsApp club, get VIP service. Oh, sorry, they have a WhatsApp club. It says get VIP service. There's a barcode there you can scan, and yeah. Then there's the bag with everything in it. Let's get into it. Alright, so the wig is there. And then for goodies, okay, there's a separate bag. They make sure organize everything properly. So I got an edge brush and comb. I got a pair of lashes. I got a pair of HD wig caps. I got a branded Megalook headband. Ooh, this is so cute. This is like a Clippers like hairpin. Isn't that cute? It's kind of like blinged. Yeah, so those are the goodies for today's today's package. Wait a minute, we got inches. What? Let's give them birthday. Yeah, this is 36 inches. 36. I think this is the longest I would have like ever tried. I've done up to 32. So yeah, 36 tops everything. What? I mean, it's winter time. Can't complain. Anything that can keep you warm, and this, my friend, definitely can. But let's get into it. I'm excited. This definitely has the weight to it. It is a BODYWAVE wig, as you can see. It is like a lot, okay? If you're not used to inches, yeah, it is definitely giving glamour girl on 10. Like, what? So silky. It is a full 13 by 4 HD lace front. It is already pre-bleached and pre-plucked. Listen, one thing I've observed with getting longer length wigs is that usually it doesn't come this customized. You will get a nice HD lace, but as far as pre-bleaching and pre-plucking, it isn't usually that detailed. It will come nicely constructed, but it usually isn't that detailed. Let me tell you, today this is detailed with the customization. Nice pre-pluck job. It looks very realistic. It came with a parting and everything, and as I say, it's a full 13 by 4. Okay, and then inside of the cap, it's a dome cap construction, and then they made sure to add this extra elastic band, so this is gonna stay on your head. And I love that because the wig is 36 inches. Let's be real, it has some weight to it. I believe it's 250% in density, if not 300, because it's 36 inches. You need that fullness, so it is going to have a little weight to it. So having a elastic band like this will help, even when you apply glue to install it, to help it to really stay on your head and not slide back, because that can happen when a wig is, you know, weighty, and like when you're wearing longer lengths. So it's a total of 2 combs, one in the back, one in the front, and this adjustable elastic band. Now that is just beautiful. I love the placement of the elastic band because it will really keep it put on your head, and you could even go ahead and try to wear this glueless. All right, but it is a 1B color, by the way. Super silky. I am so excited for today's installation, so let's go ahead and get into it. Oh, by the way, this is a medium cap, just so you guys know. I love the fit. So you see that pluck work? Yeah man, super realistic. Love that. And for a 36 inch, a lengthy wig, yeah, it's the full package. You don't have to worry about bringing this to the salon for the hairstylist to pluck it further for you, it's perfect. Now that I cut away the excess on the sides, really nicely lined up, I'm gonna go ahead, get my spray. Yeah, I'm just using my spray for today's install. My Red by Kiss Styler Fix a Lace Bond Spray. I'm gonna spray this down, right? And I want a nice, this can give you a really nice pullback look. Like, nicely done hairlines make me so happy, honestly. A little light beat. So what I'm gonna do is unravel my hair, and I'm gonna touch up the waves. You guys know the drill, so that we can have that nice fall in the front. But so far so good. It was really easy to install. Absolutely no swoops done. As you guys saw, I did cut off from the sides and stuff, so you know it does have a little shedding from that. Before I move in any further, I'm gonna keep this parting that they gave me, but just to let you see, you could part it anywhere that you wish, because it is a full 13 by 4, so bear that in mind. Okay, could go ahead, do a nice little braided style. You know, feel free to get versatile and fun with it. Okay, that looks amazing. This is all the way down to my hip. Okay, like it's so long. Like what? Yes. And the body. Oh yeah, it's really up to you if you want to even touch this up with a curl, because I like the effortless kind of, you know, vibe. But just for like a better presentation, I'm gonna go ahead and refresh just the front pieces. that's all it is to it. So I'm just allowing those curls to cool down. So ooh, this, oh my gosh, it's so beautiful with these curls. Like, I'm gonna just kind of stretch it because I want that elongated vibe like the rest of the hair. And I'm gonna give the front a little bit more layers. You just kind of feather that. Oh, ooh. And the crowd says quality. Right. No, I'm too excited. I'm too excited. What? It's so long and fluffy. It looks like my top. Yo, the ear look good. The ear, the wig, it look good. Megalook, you did that. You guys know the drill. I'm gonna be sure to put the direct link of this wig in my description box, so please go ahead, feel free to check that out and make your order. If you want to gift somebody this, go ahead, do so. All the specifications will be listed down below, and that's it. If I have any discount codes, any sale, that will also be listed. But that's it for today's wig look. I'm happy I could bring this to you guys. One thing with me, you know, one thing you can't say about me, I'm giving you one bag of different kind of wig option. Talk the truth. Yeah. But yeah, that's it for today. Don't forget to go ahead and check out my Vlogmas series. It's really lit over there. I upload a vlog each and every day for the month of December. Well, for 25 days of December. It's lit. It's so lit, guys. Honestly, it's so lit. So go ahead, check that out. The link for that channel is also in my description box. That's it for today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.